Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to solve and fix the AllSnap Google Chrome error on your PC or laptop. So first of all, we're going to go into Google, go into three dots in the top right corner and go into settings. Once you're here, you're going to go into privacy and security and you're going to delete your browsing data. How you do that is you press here, select over here, select all time, select browsing data, cookies and cached images and files, or if you want even more detailed, you can go into advanced and make sure to have site settings, hosted app data, and basically all of these will sort it the best, but you don't have to take off your passwords, for example, or autofill. And then you're just gonna press delete data. Once you've done that, if it still doesn't work, you're gonna go into here, extensions, manage extensions, and make sure to remove any other extensions that you have. And if that still doesn't work, you might have to actually update your Windows and your Google Chrome. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.